Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Blessings again, guys. Welcome back to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes by Reid. So right now, I am in Mancheste in the Rose Hill area at the Wigton Wind Farm. So take a tour. And Wigton Wind Farm is the largest wind energy facility in the English-speaking Caribbean. This began operating in 2004. And in Rose Hill, it's a very windy area, also very cold. It's a different temperature. So if you all want to locate it to Rose Hill, it's a very nice place, very cool weather. So enjoy the tour, True Jamaican Vibes by Reid. Always remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and give it a big thumbs up, guys. One love, one heart. Blessings. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes. So right now I am in cool Mancheste. Very cool Mancheste. So I'm gonna take a tour of a place where them call Rose Hill in Mancheste. It's a very cool place. It's a different kind of weather in Rose Hill, Mancheste. And also it's very close to Wigton Wind Farm. So welcome to Rose Hill, Mancheste. So enjoy the ride. One love. So I'm gonna make a left turn. Having some nice weather today, some very nice weather today. So Mandeville town is about 10 minutes drive away from Rose Hill. So most people go to Mandeville town for shopping. And it's about 20 minutes drive to Alligator Pond in St. Elizabeth. So if you want to go that side, go have your steamed fish and okra. If you want to leave from Rose Hill, it's about 20 minutes drive. So we're gonna have some bumpy ride right now, so enjoy. So it's a very quiet community. and also peaceful. So on your left, you have the Rose Hill Primary and Infant School. You know, Mancheste is a very big parish. Very, very big parish. So when you all come to Jamaica, if you come to Mancheste, you can go to many different districts in Mancheste. You can go to Newport, you can go to Greenville, you also can go to Williamsfield, Hartsfield. A lot of places you can go. A lot of places you can go. So I just see vibes, you know. For once you follow Reid on YouTube, you're gonna know a lot of places in Jamaica, many different parishes. So just enjoy the ride, you know. Yes, my people. There is no place like yard, you know. Yeah, man. Once you're up on the countryside, they just say, oh, farm up your backyard with some organic food stuff, you know, because, you know, organic is very good for us, very good for the body. Yeah, man, so straight organic, and look out for my farming vlog. It's gonna mostly be like organic farm. So I'm gonna farm different types of stuff like sweet peppers, pumpkin, cucumber, okra, and a lot more. So check out my organic farm very soon, just because of the weather. Having a little bit of too much weather, you know, it's not good for the crops, and you have to in a greenhouse settings, and you know, greenhouse is very expensive. So I'm gonna go straight on in the earth. So one love, one heart, my people. True Jamaican vibes. So thank you again for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Reid. One love, one heart. May God keep on blessing you, and thanks for the support. Have a blessed day.